Illinois Gov. J.B. Pritzker's announcement on Friday that 4 health centers on the south and west sides will be collecting an additional 400 swabs daily from potential COVID-19 patients took the city of Chicago by surprise, Public Health Commissioner Dr. Allison Arwady said.
Pritzker's office, however, later countered that the mayor's office had been looped in and should not have been caught by surprise.
At a Friday news conference, Pritzker announced plans for Lawndale Christian Health Center, PCC Community Wellness Center, Chicago Family Health Center and Friend Family Health Center to start taking more swabs from patients.
Arwady said she learned about the development while traveling back to the Chicago Department of Public Health and watching Pritzker's news conference.
Honestly, we partner with the state on a lot of things, Arwady said. We've really asked that, especially where there are conversations that are happening with Chicago hospitals or Chicago health care facilities, that we are part of that conversation. Coordination is so important, especially right now.
Arwady said the organizations chosen are good providers, but said she might have made different decisions had she been consulted.
If I were prioritizing, I might have chosen a site that is in one of our highest priority zip codes with a large volume that doesn't have COVID testing already in place, Arwady said. Not that the others shouldn't have more capacity, and they should, but it's just, at the end of the day, we're all working to just build capacity, and that's the most important thing.
And in cases where providers have multiple locations, the city would have thoughts on which location might make some sense based on their volume, based on their capacity.
We know there is testing already happening in that setting, so you just want to make sure where there's testing happening. This is supplementary, Arwady said.
Pritzker spokeswoman Jordan Abudaya released a statement Friday saying the governor's office informed the city of the state's efforts.
As the governor mentioned earlier this week, the state is working around the clock to increase testing capacity. Today's announcement of testing sites in the city is one component of a broader statewide effort to expand testing access in underserved communities. Deputy Gov. Saul Flores called Deputy Mayor Sybil Madison this morning to brief the city on the state's efforts. Governor Pritzker has tremendous confidence in Dr. Ngozi Ezekiel's ability to determine appropriate testing locations to serve all communities in the state.
Pritzker's announcement came as state officials reported 68 more deaths from COVID-19 and 1,465 additional cases, bringing the death toll to 596 and the number of known cases since the start of the outbreak to 17,887.
G. Pratt at ChicagoTribune.com.
Twitter at Royal Pratt.